am the organizer of Tirupur Industrial Production Committee. Last 6 months, our dyeing factories are closed because of Supreme Court order. Supreme Court asked us to deliver in ZLD. So we don't have the technology to do the ZLD. So we are trying. More than 10,000 crores we are investing for ZLD, even though we are not able to reach the ZLD. But nowadays we are pushing our government, we are asking our government to take necessary action to open the dyeing immediately. 4 lakh people, laborers are affected, severe affected. 1.5 lakh laborers are shifted their houses to other districts. 14 lakh people are totally affected on this problem. We need the solution. The government only take necessary action. Government only have that kind of guts to take action to reopen the dyeing, to save our people, to save our Tirupur, to save our nation. That area. That is the reason the court has closed in the last 6 months.